Alright, I apologize for that. But anyway, if you didn't get my last video, over 500 people have lost power. Right now, all these people right here are going to work. And kind of like, just going to work and stuff. And I'm pretty proud that they are. Pretty proud that they're actually going to be making money. I'm sure the house is damaged. I'm sure they need some more supplies. Yeah. For everyone at home, I wish you the best. And I have pretty much, this storm was actually kind of weak, to be honest. It took down some trees, but the storm was pretty massive. Really massive, actually. Indian River County is under huge maintenance. So is Martin County. So yeah, all of Martin County, all of Indian River County, everywhere around there, Sebastian, Stewart, they're all going through some tough shit right now. Because they took it pretty hard. Jupiter kind of got the eye, and yeah, they have been they're not having a good time. But yeah, most streets are no one has ever moved those trees. Like, literally nobody's moved those trees. Oh, Nikes. I have to say Nikes because of the because I don't want to get monetized. Look at this. Look at the bank, dude. Look at all of this. All of this is leaves and from trees. That branch is from that tree, so along with that thing right there. That is crazy. Anyway, we're gonna have to go back home. That's pretty much all I can get. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!